Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm still Akelo Vanessa. I'll be taking you through applications of Microsoft Excel. Yeah, and in particular I'm going to I remember the first video I made for introducing you guys to Excel. I was telling you can use Excel to make a report card. Now this one I'm going to show you how a teacher can use Excel to make a report card. So let me come and open my folder. Let me open it. I'll come to my Excel. Open Excel. Let's wait, it's opening. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to use functions. Yeah, this class teacher has 9 students. There are marks for science, SST, math, English. So the first thing, while making the report card, obviously there has to be a total. Then from the total, we also need the average. Then we need a ranking. We need to know who is the best student in that class. Then we need to know those who have been promoted and those who were not promoted. Yes. So I come to my total equal to I come here and sum. Just choose sum. And it has already selected the range of numbers from science to SST, so it's correct. Just press enter and autofill. Yes, I come to average. I still do the same thing. Equal to, just come to this function, average. I choose average. Let me undo that. That's a mistake. I come back to equal to, and I choose AutoSum average. AutoSum average. It has selected now, but for average it has selected what? Excess. We need only the average from science to English. From science to English, and I enter. So now this becomes our average. It's from B2 to E2. You have to be very cautious because we're getting average for all the subjects. You don't have to include the one for total. So I come and autofill. Then rank, I still come to equal to. Then rank. I'm going to rank. You can rank using maybe the title or using the total or the average. Rank is like the same as position. So I come to my rank. I choose this, the first cell on the average, and I come and increase another and get the other ranges. It's disturbing. I come to equal to rank. Ranking with average. So this, and I put a comma. Sorry, and come to equal to. Let me just use the function, more functions, so I can just type the one I want, rank. Using my dialog box, just come to rank, go. I go to rank, I'm ranking with average. Okay, I'm to rank with average. Then my number is from G2. Then my reference is from here till the last one. So the last one. Give me a minute. Let me first shift my dialog box. I don't know, this thing is disturbing me. here up to there. Give me a minute, I check it all. It has gone beyond. Sorry for that. It's from here till here. Let me undo it and redo it. Equal to rank. I select this. This is my first letter. Put a comma. I select the remaining. Yes, up to there and comma. Then I want it in descending order from the person with the highest mark to the person with the lowest marks. So I put 0 and I close. But before I can press enter, I need to insert a $sign here. Inserting that $sign is the same as absolute referencing. I come and insert the $sign there. Then I press enter. Then I come. Done. Then now commenting, like telling the children on their report whether they've been promoted or not. I come to equal to if, and I put my if function like that. Then I start. I'm going to use the average still. So if my G2 is less than 60, it is less than 60, comma, double quotes. If it's less than 60, repeat. Then I close the quotes and from another comma again. Then I come again to if. If G2 is greater than 60, if it's greater than 60, comma, open quotes, promoted. And I put another comma. Then now you close the brackets depending on how many conditions. I may have put only 2 conditions, so I put two quotes. Then I press enter. Then promoted. Then I come and autofill. Yes. So that's how you put this comment. Then there's also another way of inserting comments. Come here. You come to view. Then I come here to I come here to give me a minute. I come here to then there's also something I've forgotten, I had left out. There's maximum. If the teacher wants to know the kids with the highest marks, and also minimum. Now I come here, equal to, then I put max, then I open this. So I come in science. What is the highest marks? The highest mark is what? Then I close and enter. The highest max is 90. Then I also come here, equal to, where is it? Equal to, then minimum. It says who has the lowest, like what was the lowest mark in the class. So I also come to fill and that, and I enter. So the lowest mark was 45 for science. Then I can come, still here I do the same thing, equal to maximum, the highest mark in SST. Then the lowest mark, the highest mark in SST was 89. I still come here, equal to mean. And to know what was the lowest mark in SST. It was 43. And in math, still equal to marks. And I want to know the highest mark in math. I still come and I enter. I still do the same thing for mean. And I want to know the lowest mark in math. And I enter. Like that. Yeah? Yes. So yeah, so that is it. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.